Come on, baby. Come on, my little Kiki. Come on, sweetheart. Come on. There you go. Yes, that's a good little budge. Oh, Lacy. Cookie Monster. Come on, Lacy. Come on. It's okay. Oh, good girl. Lacy, you can stay out, baby. Cookie Monster. Come on. Come on. Come on. You can do it. Come on. Good job. There you go. Good girl. Come on, Lacy. Come on. 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 You stole a bite. Hey, Tweak. Come on. Come on. Don't you? Hey, no bites. No bites. No. Come on. Oh, I bumped the ladder. Come on. Good girl. Good job, Lacy. Come on, sweetheart. Step up. Good girl. You're such a good bird, Lacy. Let's go home. It's okay. Let's go home. Good girl, baby. Good girl. Little Miss Georgy. Come on. Come on. Come on. You coming? You want that? Come on. Good job. Let's go home, Georgy. Let's go home. Can I have this? Hey, Tweak. Hey, my wild child. I gotta get you back to budgie goodness. Oh, you witch. Tweak keeps breaking her bond with me. I'm not sure what is wrong. So, keep sticking my hand in the cage, getting her to step up, and she keeps trying to rush out and just fly away and do her little budgie thing. Tweak. Hey, little budgie budge. My little purple baby. Tweak star. No, you don't. Come on. No, 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 no. Is that Grandma? Clod hopping, huh? Yes, Mother.
Can you refresh my memory? Are you working on Friday?
Yes.
Okay. Ollie's has